In this video, we will talk about how to transfer money from Bybit Mastercard to your Cash App account. In the beginning of the video, I will tell you directly that it's impossible to link your Bybit Mastercard to your Cash App account, but there is an alternative way how to transfer money from this card to your Cash App. As you know, guys, Bybit Mastercard balance is your Bybit balance itself, and in this video we'll teach you how to transfer crypto from your Bybit account to your Cash App. Of course, first of all, you need to activate the Bitcoin function on your Cash App account. If you have not activated yet, you need to click the bank icon in the bottom left corner and you need to click Start across the Bitcoin. When you activate the Bitcoin wallet on your Cash App account, you need to click on the Bitcoin and then you will see your Bitcoin balance in the top. There will be buy, sell and these arrow buttons, and under these buttons you will see view Bitcoin wallet address. You need to click on this and you will see your Cash App Bitcoin wallet. After you will get the Cash App Bitcoin wallet address, you need to go to the Bybit and you need to convert your crypto to Bitcoin because we need to send Bitcoin to Cash App. So we need to click assets in the top right corner, then go to the funding account where you have your available balance. After that, you need to find the Bitcoin in the list and click on convert. So right here, you need to move the Bitcoin in the bottom and you need to select the cryptocurrency you have on your Bybit. So you need to convert your USDT into Bitcoin, enter the amount and exchange it. After you will have available Bitcoin on your Bybit, you can go to your assets in the top right, click on withdraw. Right here, you need to paste the Cash App Bitcoin wallet address. In the chain, you need to select the BTC. Right here, you need to select the funding account where you have available Bitcoin, enter the amount of BTC you want to send, and click the confirm button. In a few minutes, you can check your balance on your Cash App account. You will receive your Bitcoin on your Cash App. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.